Kajingalang Kahai Power Committee HPC Kabalai Shimmenta du Lampang Kaying Darbat Tawan Kajalau Ba Med Balingdo Umentri Rangbau Kanrat Sangma Umentri Katanat PWD Building Bada Sakhet Lamari Unonyalam Kalyang Persha Dr. Mukul Sangma Bakiwede Bada Kani Kajingalang Kabalalong Menta Kasi Assembly Kalarai Bantung da Kinhun Toket Banti Bini Aikida Balapalong Yakajing Kalam Umat Pulun Badru Yakajinglong Jingman ka left wing ka right wing ka kamrau lampang ka kamrau menteri rangba badia kamala ba krom jakani yang paki yakani kajing toket ka HPC kalarai ban IT ka IIT kabala bandai ka IIT Delhi IIT Guwahati ne IIT Kolkata.
Today we had discussed at length about the incident of what has happened in the new assembly construction where you're all aware that the dome portion of the construction of the main mandap collapsed on Sunday morning. So we have discussed at length today about the incident and we have taken some decisions today. First one is to ensure that no outsiders will be or unauthorized person will be allowed to enter the building because of some safety measures. The other part is to cover the entire open area of that dome portion which has collapsed to ensure that there's no water leakage in the building. Now we have decided also, which is very, very important, a third party audit who will give us the reason why or the reasons of the collapse of the entire construction. They will also investigate about the entire collapse of the dome, and at the same time they will also look into the strength of the other areas like the left wing, the right wing, the corridor of the main hall and the reception area and the chambers of the speaker, the chief ministers and other areas which are in that floor. Also at the same time which are on the ground floor and below the ground floor and the basement if there's any. Now we have decided also to ensure that the institutions which will be calling them for the audit will be basically from the IIT teams. So we suggested that we suggested that there will be 3 IITs. One is from Guwahati, one is from Kolkata and one is from Delhi. So any of the 3 IITs will be selected. Depends on the readiness of those IITs who will be conducting this audit and investigation as far as this case is concerned. We have given them task to the PWD building to take care about the central hall will remain as it is. We will not allow anyone to remove those debris. Only after the IIT appointed by the department suggested or advised us that we can remove those debris from the IIT. Maybe some whatever needed for them as far as the investigation is concerned and the audit is concerned.
Subcontract ask for your agreement to another company. Is there agreement says that you can subcontract?
No, those are the technical part of the agreement. I think we have to look into the agreement.
It's not allowed.
It's there or not? I think I am not aware of the agreement. Because that has been done by the PWD building.
The minister can reply to that.
Basically, it's allowed, but there is a few amount of percentage that's allowed. So in this particular project, 40% of the project is allowed to subcontract it to a different company for the construction. 40%.
Now how much they are doing?
They do 40%. That's per the agreement.